Keep the noise down. Are you working here? I'm good. I mean, I'm videoing you. Oh, keep the noise down. Keep working, but put the silence on. Hey guys, back in the doghouse today. I get Keith to shut up for a minute. You can hear me. Keith, shut up.
I didn't say anything.
Anyway, thanks for all your suggestions, guys. I got a lot of good ideas, and some of them I might try yet. But I came up with an idea where I got my piece of metal. This is only a little chest piece, 18 gauge steel, and I got this tube. This here is brake line. What I want to do, I want to tack this on here. This here is almost the same radius as what my little piece of molding thing is here. So I'm gonna tack this on, see if that's going to work. I might squash this a little bit. Squash it this way here, and then I'm gonna raise it up a little bit, and then just tack it here and there. I want to see if it'll work. You never know till I try it, eh? Stick around, guys. You'll see if it works or if it doesn't work. Okay, I made this one here this morning. Some guys had an idea about bending it around like this here. Rocker Pat had a good idea where he said, take a piece of metal like this here and bend it around.
Bend it around.
Yeah.
Oh, you're videoing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you were talking to me.
Okay. I wouldn't want to talk to you.
Oh, I know. I don't want to talk to me either.
Yeah. I think what Rocket Pat was saying is take my 18 gauge, tack weld it to here, and then bend it right around, which is a good idea. That's what I did. That's what I did with this one here. But I got a piece that's 5 feet long, or one piece 4 feet long, another piece is 3 feet long. So I thought maybe if I did that, it'd end up warping or whatever. I still might try it. I haven't given that idea because that does look good. And then I got this little T-dolly I got here. Made that up. I like to make one a little bit longer than I can, just go along, just kind of bend it along as I go. But I want to try this here, building this tube on here, and see if that works. Yeah, I'm trying to weld this tube onto here. Got my lever turned down really low. What happens here? Here we go, guys. Yeah, this is going to work. I like that. I'll clean up the little welds here, but I think that's going to work. I'll bring it over to the car. See what it looks like. do it this way here. Yeah, here's a big picture. Yeah, that's what I want to do. So all this here just 3/8 brake line. Just little tacks. Then I'll probably put seam seal all down the side here. But anyway, that's why I fixed it. Call that done. All I do is make some real long ones. So anyway, guys, thanks for all your suggestions. As usual, you always help me out with. You always help me with all the problems I run into. But anyway, we'll continue on with the repairs. All right. See you later. Bye now.
Oh, bye now.
See you later.
Hasta la vista.
I just got another idea how to put this on. I took my piece, I drilled some holes in it. Then I line my holes up here. I'm gonna just spot weld through these here. That way I won't have any marks on the I won't have any marks on the tubing. There, I'm just going to spot weld these here and see what that's going to look like. There, that's a lot better. That's a lot better. You don't see any welds at all now. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I'm going to weld the back. Right on. That's even better. Done deal.